I just rubbed my eyes like, huh, 1 million views. I woke up one morning, saw 1 million views. 1 million, you know. I woke up one morning, saw 1 million views. 1 million views. 1 million views.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to show you guys a few of the apps that I like to use for my business. The first one I'm going to show you is Logo Maker. Logo Maker is a really good one I use for my posters and my flyers. Guys, you don't need to hire anybody to make your designs for you. Like, there's so many apps these days and it makes things so easy, and all you have to do is download an app. Like, in order for me to use my to make my posters, though, I have you subscribe. You get a 3-day free trial, and then after that, I think it's $3.99 or $4.99, but it's very inexpensive a month to have these things, but they're so necessary. Like, this app has so many different templates, so many different fonts. Doesn't matter what type of business you're going into, what you need your logo for, this app, it got you. Like, you can get it from here. I didn't use this app for my logo, but I think I will use it like in the future when I revamp my logo, just because I love like how like it has so many cute things on here. But because my logo has already been made, I actually made my logo and then I found this. But I'm glad I found this app because I use it for my, my flyers and things for my business. So yeah, and there's just tons and tons of graphics, and I'm going to show you guys just how I make my posters. I wanted to show you guys how you can create your logo, but for some reason it was not loading on my phone. So now I want to just show you guys kind of how it works and how I make my flyers and my posters. I haven't posted anything yet, but I have been busy making them for the future, just so I have them. And if I want to change them, I can always go back on here and change them. But basically, you just go here. You can choose whatever graphic you want on your flyer. They have a lot to choose from. I didn't scroll all the way down, but that was just like 4 or 5 of many other graphics that they have. I chose the baby, but they have fashion. I think they have one for business also, and you can choose business graphics. So they have a lot, and then you can choose your font. You can change your font, make it your own. It doesn't have to look like anyone else's. And this is you. You're putting your stamp onto your business. So like I said, you don't have to pay anyone to do this, to make your flyers. You can also start here, and then later on I'll show you how I watermark my pictures. But like, you can even do this, save it, and then go to the Photoshop Mix app, and then you can add more, and then when you're done, you just save it. And I'll show you guys a few of the ones that I've already done for my business. So guys, here are just like a few of the ones that I've done. This one I did today because my store opens in 3 days. Oh Sugar Lashes, and I'm so excited. But yeah, you can make this your own. Like I said, you can choose your own background, or you can choose the background that they had. For my free shipping one, you can see that I use the background that they had, the glitter background, and the graphic with the truck is one of the ones that I chose. So yeah, when I say they have so many graphics to go with anything, any theme, they got it, guys. They got it. And you need to use this app if you are looking for somewhere to make your flyer, because they have everything, and I just love it. And eventually, I guess if you want it to look different, you can you can search for new apps, but this is just the one that I'm using for right now. So the next app I'm showing you guys is Watercolor. Now this one, I've been using this one since my first IG that I made for my beauty page, Forever Fern Beauty, where I was taking hair and makeup appointments, which I still am. But this is where I made that logo, and this is also where I made the background to my Oh Sugar Lashes logo. This is the app that I've been using. I love this app also. I love that what attracted me, I guess, was the gold, because I love that you could use gold here. And it's just really pretty. You can save it as PNG, but you have to pay a one-time fee. I want to say it was $5.99 to unlock the PNG and no watermark, with their watermark. But yeah, this is pretty much how I made. This is not my exact logo, but this is how I made my logo for my lash company, the background to it. And then what I did was I saved this, and then I saved a clip art of lashes. I think I went on Google, clip art lashes, and then I saved a picture of a clip art, and then I erased the background. Then, I just blended the two pictures together, and boom, my logo was created. Hey guys, so now we are in Photoshop Mix, and this is the app that I was telling you about. This is where all of my magic happens. I come on here, I add the picture that I want, and then this is where all the blending happens. You're everything from how I made my logo, blending the clip art picture to the watermark picture, and then also putting my lashes. Every time I take a picture of my lashes, I also come here, I put the picture of my lashes, and then I blend in my logo. So that way I don't have to worry about anyone stealing my pictures, and everything is legit. If you see my lashes, you will see Oh Sugar Lashes logo on every single lash picture. And if you don't see my watermark on my pictures, then you'll see my business cards in my pictures. But there's always something in there so that this is mine. So that's all I have today for you guys. If you want to know more, then please feel free to message me or email me, if you want to know anything more in detail. So yeah, those are pretty much the 3 apps that I use. So if you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to like, and please subscribe to my channel while you're here. See you in the next video.